The first context would be something related to hard physical labor. So I would say it was not possible to shift the furniture however much efforts we put. Okay, the same sentence in advanced would be it was not possible to shift the furniture however much elbow grease we used. So I have replaced hard work or efforts with the phrase elbow grease. Okay, other words, advanced words or phrases that could replace elbow grease or hard work or efforts are toil, exertion. I was working like a Trojan, work like a Trojan, then work one's fingers to the bone. That is also an idiom, which means to work hard. The second case in the point or the situation is someone who is eager to know about others' affairs. And you want to say that could land that person in trouble. Okay, so basic way of saying is please don't poke your dirty nose into that. Please don't interfere, don't interrupt. The same sentence in advanced would be don't poke, curiosity killed the cat. Okay, the other synonyms for that to remain alert or to be on caution or a warning are to be on the vigil, hypervigilance or caution. The third context or the situation, the circumstance would be to take a quick nap or to take a quick sleep. Okay, the basic way of saying it would be I want to say this to a person that if you feel drowsy, just take a quick sleep or take a quick nap. I'll call you once the guests arrive. The same sentence in advanced would be if you feel drowsy, take 40 wings. Okay. I'll wake you up when the guests arrive. Okay, other synonyms for 40 wings are you may doze off, nod off, cat nap or siesta. You can take a siesta before the guests arrive. So all these words would mean to take a quick nap. Next is a situation wherein the person wants to have a change of decision or a change of mind. I would say, can you just change your decision? The same sentence in advanced would be, could you just reconsider your decision? Can you reverse your previous stand? Okay, the same, the other words or synonyms or glossary that could replace this reviewing or reconsideration would be to backpedal, to have second thoughts. Could you have second thoughts over this matter? The word flip-flop also means the decision is reconsidered or reviewed.